Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here, and today's video I'm gonna share our tips about how to differentiate the non-remy hair from the virgin and remy hair. A few days ago a client shared me a photo, asked me what type of hair it is, and I told her this is non-remy hair. Today I'm gonna show you why I think this is a non-remy hair. Please look at this photo. This is what she sent to me. From this photo we can tell that this is a natural color. The good point is this hair has never been colored. We know some hair has been dyed to be black. That is the most cheap hairs in the market. That kind of a dyed color or coated with black dye, it cannot be bleached, it cannot be colored anymore. How to test that? Usually you can use your hand, touch this and try to do this, and you will get some ink on your hand. And you can also wash it. If you find the water is getting ink, that means the hair has been colored. But this hair bundle has never been colored. It's a natural color, but we can tell that the color is so much messed up. There are so many type of colors in this hair bundle, and we can generally see that this hair is mixed donor hair. This is not a single donor hair. And the more important thing is, if you look at the hair, the tip and the root, there is no any clue which is the tip and which is the root. If we look at those remy hair or virgin hair, you can generally see that the tip of the hair is lighter than the root of the hair. Usually you can see that type of things. The hair color is become lighter very evenly and very beautifully. The color is much more even. But in this hair bundle she sent me, we cannot tell which is root and which is the tip. So we see this is generally a non-remy hair. So the good point is this hair has never been heavily processed. We can see the color is natural and the luster is natural. But the bad point is it's generally not a remy hair or virgin hair. The cuticle is not on the same direction. When you get a bundle, you can look at the bundle and the tip and the root to see if there is any kind of a color graduation, and is it a gradient color to tell this hair is a virgin hair or a remy hair. Hopefully today's video can help you. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.